it is a huge risk as well, and the governance that you would need because we're actually saying, okay, I trust you enough to say I'll supervise what you did, not supervise what you are doing, right? So that level of risk is definitely there, but the power that it holds is crazy. So I think you're right, big time. Over the next few years, it's going to become easy enough to implement, but the gap we'll have is around the governance to make sure what it's doing is ethical and correct and accurate. I suppose would be a good way to put it.
The way you said it there, though, to me, it doesn't sound too different from a traditional org structure, right? Like
No, not at all.
a supervisor and an employee, there is like a high degree of trust. I think the thing that you really bring to mind for me is like at what point do the supervising actions take place?
Yeah,
And I think that's an important part of the puzzle. Like
absolutely.
how much is autonomous and where does the human stay in the loop
Well, and
before?
that's where that governance piece will come in is, there will be more policies around review checkpoints and, at what point during development of an agentic role do we say it's ready for a release? What types of UAT are in, right? It's its own new type of app development within a process, right? It's like you're developing apps for processes now as you go instead of apps for apps and what apps do, right? So